Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. In this video we'll talk about IPMAT Rohtak 2020. So finally IIM Rohtak have rescheduled the exam date, which is nothing but 28th of July. So just 7 days are left for the exam. What should be your preparation strategy? How can you top in the exam? What are the topics you should prepare? And finally, what should be your time breakup with regards to the each section? So let's understand all this information in detail. First, let's understand the guidelines for the exam. There will be only one section, multiple choice question. Number of question will be 60, which includes your all the section quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and verbal ability. Here they have not clear कि per section को लेके 20 question होंगे. It could be possible कि आपका mix question आ सकता है like CT exam. So this thing they have not yet clear, but yes, combine all this section you will be getting 60 question which you have to complete in 45 minutes. और exam का जो time है 3:30 से लेकर के 4:15 PM. After then you will be getting the break of 15 minutes and then you have to go for the section 2, which is nothing but the VAT. In VAT there will be 2 essay which you have to write by considering 250 words, 30 minutes time bandwidth. Again 4:30 to 5 o'clock is the time limit. Next question come, how to deal next 7 days of preparation. If you want to top in this exam, then you should start taking real exam feeling, which is nothing but the mock test based on the new pattern. So based on your new pattern mock test, we have launched 5 mock tests. Do attempt this mock test. After then you will get to know 45 minutes में 60 question whether you are able to complete or not. And if you are not able to complete, then what should be your strategy in terms of the mock test, because it will be a very tough task to complete 60 question in 45 minutes guys. So that's why you should have a proper planning and strategy to attempt your mock test. So that same strategy you can apply in the real exam. So at Maneuver we have launched 5 new pattern based mock test for your IPM Rohtak. So do join this mock test program. So link for this mock test program I have given in the description, or else you can visit maneuvedu.com/BBA entrance. And if you are lacking particular section, let's say logic, quant and English, then you can join the sectional courses as well. Next is about the difficulty level of the paper. This is what my speculation guys, that paper will be easy to moderate. It will not be tough because they have completely changed the paper pattern, and exam will be your online mode, which is nothing but you have to write exam from your home itself, online mode exam. This should be your ideal target in new pattern. So while you are writing the mock test, make sure you should score 45 plus marks out of 60. Okay, next is about the result. If you want to score good marks, you want to get good result, then you have to do smart preparation also guys. So the topic which I have listed here, you have to focus more on these topic. Logic, all the topic you have to complete from traditional, analytical and the critical. Verbal also, all the topic, because you can maximize and get good marks in verbal and the logic, but you cannot maximize your score in the quant section guys. It is the toughest section of the IPM. So arithmetic के सारे topic complete कर लो, like percentage, profit and loss, ratio proportion, partnership, simple and compound interest, ages, mixture allegation, time, speed, distance and work. इतने topic आपके arithmetic के अच्छे से होने चाहिए. After then focus more on the data interpretation, permutation, combination and probability. Trust me guys, you won't be able to complete the entire paper in 45 minutes. So it is for sure that कि question तो छूटना ही है अपना. So that's why I'm telling you, do focus more on the section and the topic जहाँ पे अपना score 100% आ सकता है. Now next is about the time breakup guys. So till now they have not made this clear कि per section से 20 questions आएंगे. But this is what my speculation, per section से you will be getting 20 questions. So in case this will be the pattern, so this is what the time limit you should spend on particular section. 12 minutes for both the section logic and verbal, and 21 minutes on your quant section, because logic and verbal you can complete in less time guys, but quant में ज़्यादा time लगने वाला, that you also know. And if they allow you to switch the particular section, then this should be your order of attempt. पहले आपको verbal करना है, then logic and last में quant. Otherwise logic, verbal and quant. Do remember guys, make the note of this, don't attempt verbal section in the last, otherwise you will lose the marks. Because verbal में होता क्या, you have to read, you have to understand, then you have to mark the answer, and that cannot be done in the pressure. और last में अगर आप attempt करोगे, so obviously you will be in the pressure. So do avoid attempting the verbal section in the last. Okay, next is about the selection process. Your exam weightage is 60%, your VAT 20% and your academic 20%. So those who have a good academic, they have an advantage here, and those who think कि मेरा academic अच्छा नहीं है, then do perform well in the entrance and the VAT. Okay, now let me guide you about the mock test, new pattern mock test and the sectional courses. How can you join? Just visit maneuvedu.com website guys, and after then go to the buy online BBA entrance, and here you will get full course, books, mock test and the sectional courses. Just click on the mock test and just scroll down in the last. This is what the new pattern mock test IPM Rohtak. So the moment you will join this mock test, within 12 hours your mock test will get activated and you can start writing the mock test. Same way, if you go back, if you're lacking particular section, let's say quant, logic and English, then you can join the sectional courses. So link for the mock test, sectional and all these program given in the description guys, so kindly check the description, or else you can directly visit menuedu.com/bb-entrance. For any query and assistant you can call on 8828581455. All the very best for the preparation. Thank you.